Hey everybody, Morgan, Aberdeen Sport Recreation. Just showing you one of my personal favorites here. This is a 2005 CRF450X. The X means it's got electric start, which is really handy, especially on this snow kit setup. I do have a set of tires and wheels that are in good condition for this. Also has this Explorer kit included in the price. And the neat thing about the Explorer kit is that the track can be slid back or forward like this. In its current configuration, it'll turn quicker and handle a little faster. Whereas when it's set back, it is set up for climbing. And now that's most of the kits you'll see right now are only mountain kits, where this one is a little more at home out here in the prairie. This bike has also been street legaled, so pretty versatile machine. At $6,500, that's only slightly more than what the track kit by itself had cost you if you bought it brand new. Come on in, check it out. Take care.